Hello everyone. So I don't know where you guys are from, but I am in Ontario, and if you haven't heard, Ontario really hasn't left quarantine and lockdown since last summer. So I have been in a stay-at-home order, a lockdown, some sort of version of it for a good chunk of my year. So you may be wondering, how do I stay mentally sane? And I'm not gonna lie, majority of the time it is very difficult. Something that always helps to bring some sort of serotonin is obviously online shopping. And clearly I have been doing a bunch of it. Why not show you guys what I've bought recently? There is quite a bit. Much like every single one of my hauls, I'm gonna have the price on the screen somewhere over here. Also, I will have everything that I mentioned linked in the description box down below so that you guys can purchase them too. Maybe you also live in Ontario and you need some sort of serotonin. The first store is, I literally talk about this store every single video, I swear to God, ever since I discovered them, and they are the small business Golden Blooms. So starting off, I got this 10K solid gold band. It is super dainty, super small, and I like to invest in very dainty, timeless pieces, and obviously this is no exception. It is stunning. And with us always constantly washing our hands and sanitizing our hands lately, I had to get some rings that were solid gold so that I don't have to take them off when I'm sanitizing my hands, because nothing is worse than having to remove every single one of your rings just to wash your hands or sanitize them, especially nowadays. So obviously Golden Blooms has solid gold pieces, but Golden Blooms is actually known for their gold filled jewelry, much like this ring. I actually want to remove it. It looks like this. It is one of those dome style rings, so that is very raised up at the top. It's a dome style ring, and I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but it has little indentations with a very small cubic zirconium stone in each and every one of them. And I don't know if you guys could tell, but they're actually in the shape of stars. So this is the Stargazer ring. This I actually got from a sample sale, and I wanted more bolder rings because right now obviously my rings are very dainty and very simple, which there's nothing wrong with a good simple ring, but sometimes you want like a statement, you know? So I got this one. This is the Stargazer ring, but I highly recommend Golden Blooms if you're looking for something that is affordable but also very good quality jewelry pieces. They also have sterling silver if you're more of a silver kind of person. The next three things are also from a small business. This small business is Bella Buddha Beads on Instagram, and they are hair clips. I have been completely obsessed with using hair clips to put my hair back, get my hair out of my face, like that. They don't leave that weird indentation in your hair when you use like a hair tie. This first one is the cream rectangle claw clip. I've seen so much on Instagram. Sometimes they can range for like $20 to $30 for a single clip. I just couldn't fathom spending that much money on a piece of plastic. Bella Buddha Beads is the only place that I found that was affordable. It's literally like $7 or $8 for these kind of clips, which I am willing to pay $7 or $8 for a clip, but I am not willing to pay like $30 for the exact same clip. It is this like swirly kind of marbly green one. My favorite is this one. It is the exact same clip except this is in the stone shade. I like this one because it's a matte finish. I have a lot of hair, so I constantly need something that will really grip it and hold it to my head, because there's nothing worse than having like your whole hairdo kind of fall out. So this one is it. I also have the medium clip, and it is in this pretty dusty pink color. They're both the same material, it's just that one of them is obviously smaller than the other. I love these clips because they are stunning. First of all, they're very on trend, and they also actually hold your hair. Okay, this next product I bought solely because I gave into TikTok and just like TikTok recommendations and things that you need to buy. So I saw it and I thought, yeah, I need that. This is the Mount Lai Jade Gua Sha, and I actually purchased this off of the Dynamite website. They do sell it at Sephora. This is the jade one. These have been all the rage. You basically like rub it on your face. I'm not going to do it because I have makeup. Mount Lai is actually another small business. We're just all about the small businesses here, but I love this. It's very relaxing to do at night. It kind of adds to like your night routine. Moving on to H&M, it is probably where I spent the most of my money. I haven't shopped at H&M since I was probably like 8 years old, but all of a sudden they have been popping off with the trendy shit. I think that everybody needs to know about it. So the first couple things I'm going to share with you are things that I just needed to add to my cart for shipping purposes because I wasn't about to pay for shipping. I know that that's not something that I am the only one who does it, so let me know if you guys do that because I will add random things to my cart just so I could get free shipping. So the first thing I got was, surprise surprise, yet another hair clip. This one is gold metal and it's obviously a different shape. It's a little bit smaller. Surprisingly, it does hold all of my hair. The next thing is like true epitome of just like adding stuff to your cart so that you don't need to pay for shipping, and that is roof socks. So this is actually a set of 5 pairs. I only have 3 because I actually worn the other 2. Gray and black roof socks. So the next 2 things are actually a set, and I wanted one of these sets, kind of like a sweatsuit set. Is it still a sweatsuit if it's not like a sweatshirt and sweatpants because it's sweat shorts? I'm gonna start off with the sweat shorts, but I actually got them in a medium thinking that they would be too short. They're actually too long, but I kind of love it. Definitely should have gotten a small. They are just these kind of, you know, sweat shorts. Pretty self-explanatory, except at the bottom it says Sunday Soul. You do have to buy these separately even though they can be worn as a set. This is the sweatshirt. It is a crop sweatshirt, I believe. Yeah, I also got this in a medium, and I'm actually really glad that I got this in a medium because it is like super cropped. Because I got a medium, it like hits right exactly where I wanted it to. If I got my regular size, which is a small, I definitely would have thought it was too short and would have returned it, but it has the same Sunday Soul detailing on it. It's a long sleeve crop top, which will be nice for spring and like those colder summer nights if Ontario would ever hurry up and get to the warmer temperatures. These next 2 things were honestly a mission and a half to actually like get into my possession, and I don't know about you guys, but I've been really into the whole like business casual for the streets kind of vibe, you know, like the fitted pants and like the blazers and like the cute little tops. I've been all about that. I'm pretty sure that's gonna be like my go-to look for the summer and the spring, and I honestly can't wait. I'm so excited to rock these, you know, without a sweater on. The reason why it was a mission and a half was because they are constantly out of stock, and I had to set a like a notification to get my size. I finally got them, and you're probably thinking, well, what are they? They are the fitted twill pants. These are so good. So the first pair I ever got, I got these on 2 separate occasions, guys. So the first one is the, I believe this is the cream color online. They go to like the perfect length on me. I'm 5 foot and these are perfect. These ones are in the size 8. I am typically a 4, guys, so I had to go up 2 sizes in this one, and they were still a little bit snug. These definitely do run small. If you are anything like me and like a more baggier fit, definitely recommend sizing up or 2 just so that they are more comfortable. They have absolutely no stretch in them, so keep that in mind. And if you're gonna get the cream ones, know that they are a little bit see-through, but I also obviously had to get them in black. These ones I actually got in a 10 because I like the more baggy fit, and this one is definitely way more baggy than those ones, and I love them. These ones fit so much better. These ones are not see-through at all. They're actually a different material than the cream ones. The cream ones are a more linen-y material, which is interesting because these ones are more of your traditional like dress pants material. I don't mind either fabrics, so I have to apologize for the lighting. It's getting like super gloomy and I think it's gonna start to rain again. And I also apologize if you hear any children because I think my neighbor's children are playing outside and they're always screaming, so sorry. The last store and the last couple things I want to talk about are from Aritzia. Aritzia, and the first thing I got was one of their masks. This is one of Aritzia's cotton masks. I like these because they are adjustable. This one does have the nose wire as well. The only problem I have with this is it is not cotton. I 100% know that it's like a linen-y material. It's not very soft and it is super thin. It wasn't really what I was expecting. I don't think I'll ever order another Aritzia mask, but I mean, I'm glad to have another mask. The next thing I got from Aritzia is this tank top from Sunday Best. It's just, you know, your basic black tank top. I believe this is called the Honor tank on Aritzia's website. I love this tank top. I did have to size up for the ladies, you know, we want them to be comfortable too, and I got a medium, and it is just the perfect cropped tank top. It's exactly where you want it. And the last thing is this dress. I believe this is like the 90s Malibu dress or something. It is one of those like tank top type dresses, and then it has a bit of ruching on the side. Super glad that I got this dress. It is very flattering, especially if you get the black one. They do have other colors. I think that they had just like a sage green color, which was very tempting, but I'm glad I got the black one. I highly recommend this dress. It was definitely pricey, but it is Aritzia. Me trying to justify my purchases, and I think it is truly an amazing dress. That is everything that I bought recently in this new stay-at-home order. I feel like we have a new stay-at-home order every 5 minutes in this province, but I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Look up at the sky, ask it why